The muscular system. THSA ions are all positively charged. Because of an uneven distribution of these ions, there is an electrical distribution around the muscle cell. The inside of the cell is negatively charged and the outside of the cell is positively charged electrically. This situation is known as the muscle cell's resting potential. As the nerve impulse reaches the neuromuscular junction where the axon terminals of the nerve cell are in close proximity to the muscle and its numerous cells, it triggers the axon terminals to release a neurotransmitter substance called acetylcholine acetylcholine. TH is chemical substance FECDs the muscle cell membrane. It causes the sodium ions which were kept outside during the resting potential to rush inside the muscle cell. TH is rapid inflection UX of sodium ions creates an electrical potential that travels in both directions along the muscle cell at a rate of 5 meters per second. Is inflection UX that causes the inside of the cell to go from being electrically negative to being positive. Smooth muscle is found in hollow structures of the body like the intestines, blood vessels, and urinary bladder. It cannot be controlled at will because it is under the control of the autonomic nervous system and also may be hormonally stimulated. Each smooth muscle cell contains a single large nucleus and because its fiber is more delicate than skeletal muscle, cross-striation of the myosin and actin arrangements is not visible. Each smooth muscle cell contains a single large nucleus and because its fiber is more delicate than skeletal muscle, cross-striation of the myosin and actin arrangements is not visible. The cells connect by fibrils extending from one cell to another closely adjoining cell. In hollow structures like the small intestine, the smooth muscle is arranged in two layers, an outer longitudinal layer and an inner circular layer. The actin and myosin fibers are not so regularly arranged in smooth muscle as in striated muscle. Therefore, contraction occurs in a similar way but without the regular rearrangement of the fibrils. The fibrils do slide together and rhythmically shorten the cell, but a slow wave of contraction passes over the entire muscle mass as the nerve impulse reaches the cell and gets transmitted to the remainder of the cells or fibers. Cardiac muscle cannot be influenced at will because it, like smooth muscle, is under the control of the autonomic nervous system. It is uninucleated, similar to smooth muscle. However, it is striated like skeletal muscle. Cardiac muscle also has another unique quality. If one muscle cell is stimulated, all the muscle cells or fibers are stimulated so all the muscle cells contract together. Also, the muscle cell that contracts the fastest will control the speed of other muscle cells, causing them all to contract at the faster rate. If rapid, uncontrolled contraction of individual cells in the heart occurs, this is called fibrillation. Results in the heart's inability to pump the blood properly and can result in death.